The success story of Bill Gates. Bill Gates was born in 1955 in the United States. When he was young, he was a quiet and curious boy. He loved reading books and solving problems. At the age of 13, he saw a computer for the first time. From that day, he became very interested in computers. He spent many hours learning how to write computer programs. While other children played outside, Bill practiced coding. Bill Gates went to Harvard University, one of the best schools in the world. But he did not finish his studies there. He believed he had a big idea. He left college and started a small company with his friend Paul Allen. They named it Microsoft. In the beginning, life was not easy. They worked day and night. Sometimes they had little money. Sometimes people did not believe in them. But Bill did not give up. Slowly, Microsoft began to grow. They made software for personal computers. Their biggest success was Windows, which made computers easy to use for normal people. Microsoft became one of the biggest companies in the world. Bill Gates became one of the richest men on earth. But he did not stop there. Later in life, he started giving much of his money to help poor people, improve health and support education. Difficult circumstances he faced. He was very young and inexperienced when he started his company. Many people did not believe his idea would work. He worked under great pressure and long hours. He took a big risk in leaving a top university. He faced strong competition from other companies. What we learned from Bill Gates' story: start early. Skill grows when you practice from a young age. Believe in your idea. Even if others doubt you, trust yourself. Work hard. Success needs time, focus, and effort. Do not fear failure. Problems are a part of the journey. Give back. True success is also helping others.